问下他们声音怎么样？有没有声音？
So okay, guys, next turn, my turn to showing everybody for our current stock machine for model is number 65. So let me explain some machine models definition to everybody. C is uh, complex, means construction. C means turning. So 5 means the size. 500 turning lathe. So uh, normally we call the turning lathe with chuck size. So this machine C5, we are equipped 8-inch hollow chuck 3 jaws from Taiwan ground. And normally you can see the machine is moving the x-axis. We carry it up and down. Now it's the y-axis. Again, x-axis. So this is x. This is y down. Carry it down. So x is moving up. Y-axis is moving down. Now y-axis is moving up. So carry is moving up. This is called y-axis moving up. And the x-axis is moving down. So now y-axis carry body. Let's see. Y-axis is moving down. So this is called the y-axis. Now we can call this machine as C. C is because we already have y-axis with this machine right now. So now you can see the y-axis with the carry body moving up and down. So x-axis is moving down. Now we can see the C-axis and also the turning spindle is okay, let's see the C-axis and turning spindle. So now the chuck is turning, is rotating. So with CT5, we also equipped with the C-axis, means we can catch whatever the degree, direction, the path stop with the C-axis function control. So actually, we already have X, Y, and Z, and C. So C server actions already plus one turning spindle. So for the parts rotating, for the shaft rotating, and also plus another milling spindle from the power driven tools carried. So now we got another two spindle models, spindle axis. So actually, this machine we got four server axis plus two spindle axis, driven axis. So totally, this machine we got six axis moving control. So let's say let's see the final 0i plus TF plus control. So we can see this is a plus, most updated version of the control software. And also we can see from the screen X, Y, Z, C, A means German tools. So we got four moving servo axis and plus second milling spindle. So actually from the screen we can see five positions, five axes. So this is our control. And also let's see our control panel. For sure, you can rotate whatever the degree you want and make a lock here. And for the power on and power off, for sure, we got the plastic cover to protect the mishandling. And the next point, for sure, we got the remote hand wheels. remote handlers to help for your tool positioning. Let's see. Let's open the door. Okay. Inside of the machine, you can see we got a programming tester with node number 4 table. So normally we will standard configuration. We will put one living center. Test for the living center for sure. Always we will as standard configuration in the accessories of the package. For this machine, we also got one two-seater from Renishaw, UK Renishaw HPMA series with accuracy, repeatedness 2.5 microns. So now we can see the turret is moving with x plus y two axes, and also let us show you the z axis，你把 z 轴跑一跑 x 和 y 平移。就跑 z 轴对，就跑 z。这就到底，先把它扬上去。Okay, now x is moving up. So let's see the z-axis. It means cutting length direction. So now we are moving z-axis by hand wheel. So this is z. 你再调过来。This is z-axis back again. 然后切到 x. Now it's x direction. So moving down and up. So y. Now we switch to y-axis. So you can see y-axis is moving up and down. So with travel distance plus negative 35 mm. So for 18-inch shaft, this y-axis travel already big enough for most of the application scenarios. So that is a basic introduction of the CT5, the standard configuration, and also for sure we got the conveyor and 150 liters water tank. It's an entire body, so the space occupation is very limited. So this we already put it as a standard package for the CT5. Now let's look around this side. You can see there's a two gauge. So the first one is check pressure. Now you can see the how to say the EX work standard. We are setting to 10 kg per cm square, and normally we will put between 10 and 20 for the check pressure, clamping pressure as a standard setup. But for sure, you can adjust from maybe 5 kg to maximum 50 kg. It's a range for 50. So second one is for the test of when touching the parts, you can set up with the valve here. That's locked. So two valve inside the small door. One is for check, and the second one is for the test out. So through these two valve, you can set up whatever the pressure you want. 拿一个来看。So we got someone looking for feedback. We can show you pressure valve. For sure here, spin the ball. server, we require from this surface to the wall. Besides the machine, we prefer, we suggest many users at least 800, less than 1 meter. Okay, so now we open this small door. We can see there's two gauge. The first one, this is just like the gauge. The right one is for the tailstone. The left one is for the chuck. You can adjust the pressure from small to bigger, and you can pressure the chuck from small to bigger. Or let's test the chuck. So you can see the chuck pressure is moving up. Okay, this is the setup for the chuck pressure and tailstone pressure. Okay. This is the electric cabinet. This is the main power switch. So here is the first step. Every time we want to power on the machine. So here we also we got a power outlet. We got RS internet. We got internet. And here this is the key for the maintenance for the service engineer. So here we always on the road. Normally, we can see from the inside of the cabinet, we can see the main drive of the funnel and the I/O link ladder, and the data server driver for the tire injection. This is for tire injection. And here, these two are 24 voltage power supply. And here is the funnel standard reactor and the power. Low voltage from and the switcher. Here we got another of the switch relays from from this is from American American TE. We call the TE US. So this is all from Japanese. With a meter. So inside of the cabinet, you can whatever you can see it's embodied. Here, let me show the control model and the one iron model. So these two are for management. Two center. This additional one is for the Y-axis. So normally if we don't have a Y-axis option, this model will be disappeared. So inside of the cabinet, as you can see here, also we put the heat exchanger as a standard configuration, and we will put R plus B. This is for the C-axis encoder made in Germany. So and also all axis controller spindles models are here. So and also this is from our cabinet mounting supplier with the QC barcode. So every detail will make sure you are protected. So, okay, let's see here is the transformer. But because in China, the controller from the funnel always is 200 voltage. So as a standard, we will equip one transformer for you as a standard configuration. You don't need to pay more money for transformers. These two pipings, one is for the power and for the signal to X and Y and Z, X and Y models. Another one is for the pipings, for the hydraulic, for the lubrication pipings. So pipings and cables are separated. Make sure we are doing properly. And you can see every model, every cable are protected very, very well. This is according to CE standard. And here, beside the transformer, you can see this is the hydraulic station. This is 7 ocean. It's a Taiwanese brand, but it's made in Shanghai because they have a plant in Shanghai. So everything here, hydraulic station, we got Taiwanese brand, but made in Shanghai. So here, well, okay. Here, it's a lubrication pump. Okay, let's see. Again, I show the Taiwanese brown. Again, the Taiwanese brown, but the plant is based in China, so we can get it quickly and also with a reasonable price. So this is the oil lubrication. We recommended VG32, DTE24, and here from here, if you from here, it's also called the 32. Uh, Hydraulic station 46 prefer, but the 32 plus is good enough. Okay, so here we got the lubrication, and here we can see there's a small tank. It's for the lubrication oil recycle. So maybe after 1 week continuous running, machine will get collected. This oil collector will be full, so you need to change, make a maintenance. So down below this small cabin, here we got two connectors. One is for the cooling pump, another one is for chip conveyor. These two should be go to the pump, and for the chip conveyor. Power supply from here. Okay. Uh, Here we can see the two windows. This one in the middle, inside of this one, there is Z-axis servo model. So this small middle has a removable option. It's for maintenance of the Z-axis. The second one here, you can see there's a hole. This is for the all mist collector separator. So this one we can remove with 5 screws unfastened. We can remove and also we do any maintenance inside of the working area. So finally, we got a full view of this machine. And okay, so we have a complete look, full view of the machine. Again, this is today what I want to share with you for this CP5 model. And any questions, please leave your words in the below. Our sales guys will feedback to you after the first time. So I used 20 minutes to share this machine with you, and I got 10 minutes more. Maybe I can introduce you again another machine. Okay, here we got another machine called HP330 and 16. So 3 means hacking length 355. So normal plus 3. The same definition is 5. So this machine is shorter, you can see. And 16 is the former naming style means sharp. Check size is smaller. And this machine we can see slow driving through function below Z-axis. This is a small type. It's a typical single function of the turning lathe, standard turning lathe. But we can see this machine will also got X-axis, character moving up and down, and also Z-axis left and right. So with a three-jaw chart, hollow chart, you can put the bar material inside of the chart, and also with a programming pedestal with a program material. 看什么？看什么？ So so let's see how this is working. Okay, now we are moving the axis closer to the chuck. So this we call the z axis. So now we switch to x axis. The carriage is moving down to the chuck center. So this is typical turn. So this is for the diameter. Another direction, the axis is for the cutting length. Okay. So again, we do. Let's see the moving of the pedestal. Okay, we can control manually, and we can control by encode by programming automatically. So this is programming. And let's control programming pedestal. So here we will put zero center here. So also this machine you can see also we equipped one presenter here from Renishaw again HPMA again. So you can easily mounting your cutting tools with accuracy less than 2.5 microns. So you can easily make the first touch of the cutting. So you come to the machine, you can see this panel. We cannot rotating because the cutting length is shorter. So we naming this machine as a fixed panel. But if you request for rotating into panel, it's optional also. Again, we check here as a standard package, no problem. Here you can put the tools, whatever you want. Here you and also setting up box. Verify. Here you can see there's a three gauge. The first one is for the hydraulic system pressure. The second one is shaft. The third one is for the test up. Down below we can see a hair. Left one is for shaft. The right one is for the tester. Just like this sequence. So this one is always 50. With our hydraulic station, the standard configuration always we put 50. And here you can see again power outlet. Inside of the cabinet you can see nearly same. And also the HDMI in the same position, and also the main drive and IO-Link. But no wireless server here. So here, left. And there's also here to go to the solar carriage. The carriage injection is from the digital model gallery, and PQD time less than 1 second. Pretty nice. So here we can see labeling. Okay, the carriage is from Southern. Similar in Taiwan, brown is from Germany, and also for the models from Honda. Here also, again, you can see the checking QC barcode from the cabinet mounting file. Okay. Again, we can see inside of the right side of the machine. Here again, the transformer as a standard package. And also you can see the two pipings. One is for the hydraulic and lubrication piping. Another one is for the power supply and the CV standard way. Okay. And also we make sure everything is going properly with X moving, with Z moving, no damage. Everything well protected. And also send hydraulic station from zero ocean family friend. And also again the documentation came from family from ISO. I forgot to one important thing. We will always put the magnet from Taiwan again. It's compressor air filtering system. This is for our indoor protection. Okay, let's go back to the email. One key understand when you're running rotating the spindle from here, there's an air purge protecting the spindle bearing. So no coolant, no dirties running inside to the go inside to the spindle headstock. So everything is well protected. Okay. Uh, for this air filter system, you can see both two machine models. We put it as the standard configuration. So go back. Let's go back to CD5 again. You can see here also standard configuration, always protecting your spindle. Every line, moving line. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you for today.
可以简单说一下那边来的。
Okay. So we've got another few minutes to share with you. Here you can see our WIP SQ5 for reference range. SQ5 for reference range. Again for reference range. And here, software. This is a 3-inch software heavy duty cutting lens. But we are waiting for the final. So we have to start. Here this machine is Siemens touch screen. You can see it says touch screen. Okay. And this machine is under inner housing finishing. So you can see the mounting, our lubrication, our cables is well wiring. And this is, you can see the y-axis upright direct direction of the y-axis moving up and down, and with also with the programming and tester. So it's chip conveyor with a high pressure coolant pump. So again, please say no. Rotate for. Okay, no problem. Ready for you. Okay, so inside of the store, you can see this is the ISO 828 hammers in 10-inch chuck at the center, and also 12-inch chuck is optional. Again, we put a software BMT55 interface, 12-inch carriage at the center, and you can see bigger than 10-inch machine, we have put 45 the getaways for the heavy traffic. Here we can see one for 3 gauge. One is for system, one is for the track, the third one is for the tester. And down below, this is for track, this is for tester. Okay. So this is a belted spindle with a C-axis with a pressure here. 1 minute. So biggest one at the moment for now. Okay, so we check out another line. This is for training. This we call HPC, but no living tools. Says slot type. So now we are mounting current geometry accuracy. So you can see we are our assembler is mounting the gate. We have done the alignment of the turret. So now he will move, he will change to another building for the test of. After test of setup, this machine accuracy will be done. Okay. And this is the HPC. The second one, okay, this is HD5L. L means longer than 500. This is actually the entry travel is 800. 800 travel. And this machine we are trying to finish using this week. We got another 1 working days only left. So we're going to make our time this during this weekend. Okay, so this one again ST5L. It's a mini bike. This is for our hardware drivers for Egypt. So this will be next week. After the national holiday. This one is T3. Number one, we are not always confused. So, not to worry. Again, second one, not to be confused. Plus a third one. So, down the way, down the way. And second one, same. So, you see, we are waiting for three page stop as in two systems. So, these three we can quickly finish. The first one here we can see okay, no controller, no headstart, no turret. The turret got the on-hand inventory already, but for the headstart and for the controller, we have to wait maybe early next week. We can finish for customer. Okay, last step. Let's see. Here is WIP of the HP2. That means cutting is 200 and cutting standard also again 200. So linear motion again. And you can see no result. So we are facing a serious problem. After that, we cutting. Smaller size right now. So HP for HP2. So no controller, no headstop, and no heads right now. On this machine, I guess we can finish in the next 3 weeks. Once we got the controller, we finish quickly. And here you can see units on the 25 and 26 machines. WIP. Okay, so here is what we have for the current lathe workshop right now at the moment. Sharing for you. This is Rico speaking. Hello guys.